My name is Wynand de Tooy, and I greet you all here from the Great Orange River in South Africa. By popular request, I've decided to broadcast a video made in English every Wednesday morning, and that is to reach a larger audience and to make it possible for people who is not living in South Africa, but who empathize with our cause and what we stand for and the needs that we as a white minority in South Africa might require. I am a former officer, Lieutenant Colonel in the former South African Special Forces. I participated during the border war. I was captured in Cabinda, Angola, and I spent 837 days in solitary confinement as a prisoner of war in that country. I was released in exchange for 132 Angolan soldiers, one French citizen, and one Dutch citizen in Maputo on the 7th of September 1987. And since then, I've been involved in various exercises, endeavors. I had been farming in South Africa, Namibia, also back to Angola and in the Congo, Brazzaville, Congo. And it's after my return from Brazzaville, Congo, where I spent a long time, a couple of years, and where I also started writing my books, of which I have the 10 until this date, published 10 books, which will tell, of course, my life story.